What's up, guys? Today we're coming at you from a little bit different scene. We're in Lowe's right now and we're gathering our materials needed to build the giant heating system that we're going to install today for the mega freeze that's coming in. Expected even inches of snow in Houston, which it hasn't snowed in 3 or 4 years, but it hasn't snowed substantially in maybe like 10, 12 years. We're starting off, we got a 1/2 inch 600 psi schedule 40 pipes, as well as connectors, as well as that you see that pipe cutter. And this is a common thing right now when the farm is still in the beginning stages. This is what we have to do to cover it. But if you're looking for plants to buy, whenever next year and the years after, we won't have to go through such extensive measures to cover it. But I hope you all enjoy this construction video, and it should be pretty cool. So what's up, guys? We're back here at the banana farm, though it's a very different site than what it used to be. If you look on our channel, another video that's coming up today, all the leaves were chopped off of every banana and the pups, except the Bosju right there. Let's get a good view of this right here. Nothing except for this rack, which we're not gonna cut off. We're gonna take extensive measures to cover it. And yeah, we're running out of time. Temperature's dropping pretty fast, but we're about to make our Arctic proof enclosures of this. All right, for this next update, we have the beginnings of our first structure here with PVC. It's staked into the ground 4 times. For this one, because we're putting so much effort into saving these bananas, so we're gonna put like 1 heater here, and that is gonna go up. We put chicken wire cage around the base of this, and resourcefully I had a huge pile here. There's a hole of just banana leaves and banana palms, so we're just gonna fill this cage up with banana palms, and that will hopefully give this the heat that it needs to survive, as well as we're gonna put a trash bag over this, and then as well as hopefully some heat from here radiates over here, as well as this one over there. So as you can see here, I finished for the most part packing the chain linked with banana leaves, and we got a couple trash bags. We cut a hole in the top of one, and we pushed it down all the way to the ground. So this will keep all the heat in and not let any cold get in either. And we're gonna take this trash bag, put it over the top, and then we'll be good. So we got day 2 here at the banana farm for building our heatable structures. I don't know if you can see around me, but there's a lot of wind blowing, and this is frigid winds. Like right now I can barely feel my hands, but we got white under here, the white tarps that you saw last video with, and we're gonna put a black trash bag for extra heat protection, heat conservation. So over here, we completed the top half of the trash bag. Use some duct tape to tape them together. Here we got this PVC that you saw us getting at the store. That's gonna have a portable heater system in here. We're now also installing thermometers around here, and we can see what this is reading in our house. So we'll be able to constantly update our knowledge on how hot or cold it is getting back here. And we're about to start building this PVC system. There's gonna be a portable heater probably somewhere right there. Hopefully that heat is going to go up and protect those, protect all these good stalks so these can survive this winter.
All right, so as we're recording this video, Tuesday and Wednesday, it's supposed to get down to 12 degrees here, and we could get either 2 to 6 inches of snow right here at the banana farm. So Tuesday and Wednesday have been canceled for pretty much every school district in the Houston area already, and
yeah, possible power outages, pipe bustings. I mean, as all of you Southerners like us know, our infrastructure is not built for this type of cold weather. So that's why this is like leading us to improvise here around the banana farm. One day when we have our big field, we're gonna do some natural barriers that we'll obviously keep updated with on this channel, which stay tuned for that. That'll be here in the near future. But for now, I hope you enjoy what we're gonna build. I think it's gonna turn out pretty cool. I think all of y'all are really gonna like it. So here we're cutting the PVC pipes for the next heating structure. What segments are you cutting them into, Henry?
So right now we're cutting each one. It needs to be about 5 feet long each. Yeah, right now we have 4 of them, so those. All right, I'm gonna cut out the time lapse real quick. We have a piece that we've staked into the ground, and we'll put the little holes from here on top of the pole.
Top of the rebar.
On top of the rebar side, it'll stay sturdy and it won't fall over. All right, back to time lapse.
Get inside of there.
All right, so yeah, we come in here. Had the lights. We were doing some stuff earlier, but it's pretty dark in here actually. But there's a rope here that's holding the main banana there from the hurricane. The rope's got tension on it so that it doesn't lean so far. But yeah, it's pretty good. You can see little bits of PVC that we brought in up there, kind of giving it like a good structure. And it actually feels pretty warm in here. Like it's probably 50, 60 degrees in here, and it's low 40s out there. So no heat's getting through there. But anyway, as you can see here, banana, there's our main rack. Another banana right here. We ran the extension cord out, and we have a little heater going right here, and I'm already starting to feel a good amount of warmth coming from this heater right here, which that's very good. And yeah, support's looking pretty good. We'll send you back out to Grant.
And that'll do for today's video. I hope you all liked watching us build the winter shelter and thought it was a cool idea. We'll keep everybody updated on how much snow, what type of damages, how the shelter held up, how much it stayed above freezing in there. We'll post a post cold front update on the channel soon. But I hope you all liked the preparation, and hope you stay tuned for more videos.